Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the Wix pricing for premium website plans. So let's get started. So in here, you can see all the sites that I have. So if you want to upgrade to premium, you can see a button right there that says upgrade now. So just click on that button and then this will redirect you to another site wherein you can select a site that you want to upgrade. So for example, I want to upgrade this site, which is Tiara Dresses. Just click on upgrade site right here. Then once you have clicked on that, it will open the upgrade site with premium plan page. So in here, you can choose what kind of plan you want. So you can choose this business VIP, this business unlimited, or this business basic. So in here, you can just choose which one resonates with you the most. So you can grow your business with this business unlimited. In the business basic, you can accept online payments. On the business VIP, you can get the full suite. So you just choose whatever you want. So these are just business and e-commerce plans. You can also have website plans right here, wherein you can see if you can have VIP, unlimited, combo, or you can also just connect domain. This is the most basic one. And this one displays Wix branding. So when you click on this enterprise plans, you can see the plans for enterprises. So in here, if your team or company has a lot of people, you can avail this one. Just request a call for Wix right here in order to get a quotation on how much you will spend for this monthly or annually. So when we head over again to website plans, when you scroll down right here, under those prices, you can see what's under them. So you can remove branding. It's yes on most cases, but it's not for this one. So free domain for a year on the basic plan like this. You can also see in here the bandwidth, storage space, pretty hours, need capture forms, filter form, and all of this right here. So for the VIP one, you can have priority customer care, while the unlimited, combo, and connect domain has only 24/7 customer care. So if you want your issues to get resolved, if there's an issue that arises, you can get this VIP one, and you can just weigh the cons and pros of each plans right here depending on their qualifications. So when you head over in here to business and commerce plans, you can also see those check marks right here. So this business and commerce plans is good for websites that are shops. So you can accept payments right there. Plans and recurring payments, customer accounts, domains, the bandwidth is unlimited with a lot of storage space depending on what plan you will get. You can see a lot of in here. And then on the business VIP, you can also see the priority customer care. So just choose the one that befits you the most, and you should be able to get it for you. So for example, you want to get this business unlimited. Just click on select right here. Once you have done that, you can choose what billing cycle you want for your business plan. So you can choose monthly, but it will become $30 every month. You choose yearly, it will be $25 per month for 12 months. And the 2 years, you'll also get this for $22 only for 2 years. So just choose that one that you want. For me, I'll just choose the yearly one. We'll click on complete the checkout. And then in here, you can complete your purchase. So if there's anything that you don't like on your premium plan, they have a 14-day money back guarantee on all the plans that they offer. So for this one, you can see in here the payment method. Just put in here the credit card to support a lot of credit. And then from in there, you can also see PayPal. So just you can also use this one right here. Then put in the invoice detail that you want. And then from here, you should also enter in here a promo code. You can use a promo code right here. You click on this, just enter the promo code. And after you're done with everything, it's the concept of the purchase. So if you want to find a promo code for you can get the Honey extension. So just open a new tab, search me here for Honey extension. And in here, you should be able to see Honey extensions. So here's the Honey automatic coupons, promo codes, and deals. after you click on that, you should be able to see this one and then add this right here to your Chrome extensions. Once you added it, it will search the web to have or get the promo code that you can apply to your plan. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you know the Wix pricing for premium plans. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.